The Dollar Tree had a lot of kitchen toy sets that I thought was super cute, so I decided to make my daughter a stove top using all of Dollar Tree items. The sink even squirts water. Everything in this video is 100% from the Dollar Tree. You'll need 5 crates, connect them like this. They connect like Legos, and then you want to zip tie them together. Then you want to measure your crate so you know how big to cut out your poster board. This is a 27 by 9 inch. Then you want to use their peel and stick wallpaper to create like a countertop. Now you can place your poster board or your countertop on top of your crates. I use balloon string to hold it all together. I tied a knot on both sides, pulling the string through the crates and over the poster board or countertop. I use sticker letters and their black party plates to create a stove. I placed the Magic Kitchen set in the center. This actually squirts out water. This small basket was on their storage aisle. I used double-sided tape to stick that down. Again, this skillet was on the toy aisle of the Dollar Tree along with this vegetable fruit cutting tray. I used the square adhesive hooks to hang a spoon and a spatula just to make extra toys, and this is the final look. But I also found this apron on the craft aisle, and this here is Chef Ramsay.